Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's gonna be another mask unboxing. But yeah, and this mask unboxing is gonna be from Spencer's, and it's not the it's not the naughty stuff that you guys think it is, because some of you can be perverts, but it is Spencer's. Besides that bag side of the store, they have other cool stuff. If you guys didn't know, and which I figured out all late years ago, that Spirit Halloween ties connections to Spencer's, just like Halloween City ties connections to Party City. So yeah, if you would like to see what I unbox, obviously you know by the title, then keep on watching. One of the new releases of this year is the Chrome Ghostface Mask, and that's the one I needed. The only one I saw at the Spirit Halloween vlog that I did a couple of days back was the Kids Chrome. It really doesn't capture how tiny the kid size is, but I swear it was the size of my freaking hand, so there's no way that's gonna fit my big ass head. That's what she said. I don't know why they gave me a big ass box for a mask. I mean, I thought, okay, let me hold it up, let me get it, and you tell me what you guys think of it. Does it look cool as fuck, or does it not? It looks cool as fuck, man. Let me open my eyes. Whoa. You know why I've been hesitant on getting this? Like, I want to take pictures of it in the sun, but now we got a cold front, so there's no sun. I always thought it'd be really impossible to get a good picture of it, but this is so fucking nice. I look really fucking funny through it, but this is so fucking nice. But yeah, as always, this is plastic. So Ghostface Chrome Ghostface Mask by Spirit. It has a Spirit tag, even though it was from Spencer's. Once again, they're related. They're related. The kids version, the child size of the Chrome version has a red tag, red lettering. So this is cool as shit. I'm gonna take some pictures of it with my merch. And as always, I'm gonna show you guys some up closes, but as always, I had to get this one. My friend Mason kept kind of persuading me. I kept saying for the longest, I'm never gonna get a metallic, I'm never gonna get this, but guess what, I got it. I'm never gonna get the ultra white from Walmart. I got that shit too. So as always, as with any other mask, it has the elastic. For the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna wear it, but it looks so cool inside. I swear, I have the highest ideas when I'm sober, and I don't do the green. I'm not against it, I just don't do it. But if you cut the shroud and you just use this metallic piece for like a cooking tray for a cake, it could definitely bake a cake, like Ghostface cake. So let's try it on. Does it look cool as shit? Yo, I might wear this for giving out candy, man. This looks so cool, but I want to keep the tag. This will also be in my updated room tour. This looks so cool. So as always, I'm gonna mind my guys. I'm gonna give you guys some up closes, and yeah, just more detail shit. You can see the camera. As you can see, it's glued. It feels weird. It feels scratchy. I don't know if it got dropped by some boxes. It doesn't feel, I don't know how Chrome is supposed to feel, but it feels kind of chafas as fuck. And in English, chafas means a little bit like, I expected this to feel like glass, like this part. I don't know what this sticky stuff is. Brad, this came from Spencer's. I should not be touching that. The mouth hole so you can breathe. The nose looks nice. I noticed this little dent right here. I'm not picky, so Spencer's or Spirit Halloween, if you're watching, let me see my face. I really don't give a shit about the flaws. I'm just pointing it out to the collectors that do see my stuff. There's a little scratch right there. But then again, this mask is cheap, so I don't give a fuck. But some people do. Not me shading people. So once again, this mask in US dollars is $16.99. I believe Spencer's and Spirit Halloween ship worldwide. See, it says do not wear this while operating a moving vehicle as vision may be obstructed. I did see somebody on TikTok driving by and a snitch. I heard your comments. I'm a dumb bitch. Okay, so the Easter Unlimited stamp is on the side inwards of the mask. I don't know what this is, but it's nicely sewn. This is what I mean when I say you can bake a cake and you can use this as a bake tray. If somebody does it, please fucking tag me at cutehorror, Instagram, TikTok. But this is what I mean. Remove this shit, remove the shop, remove the tag, you can bake a cake. Also, a quick thing, I forgot to show the manufacturer date tag. Yeah, that's how you know more about these masks. There's this little tag, and it says the dates, I believe. I'm a dumb bitch. It just says made in China. So for some reason, this one doesn't have the manufacturing date. It just has a spirit tag. People watching this don't really give a shit, but I'm just saying this for the collectors that do. So, should I do one little bonus review in this video while wearing the mask? Okay, you guys insisted. I can't hear y'all because I haven't even edited this video. But let's go. I just like this mask. I didn't expect to like this mask more than me wearing it. Okay, so I finally got this. It's a Scream 4 DVD. It's the only one I needed because it's my least favorite. But Walmart had this copy along other Halloween movies for $5, $4.97 I believe, or $5.97. Can't remember, don't care. I throw the receipt away. So this one's the last one that I needed. I am the worst fucking... I just noticed I'm holding it upside down. So this is how the sleeve looks like in my thumbprints because I'm a clumsy bitch. Scream 4. Honestly, I really do enjoy this movie, just not the fucking lighting of this movie. It looks like a whole fucking Viagra fucking commercial because of how like filtered the fuck out this shit is. A commercial, too many filters, too much lighting. Tone it down. That's the only thing that ruins it for me. Ugh. Sorry. This is without the sleeve. Ugh. I didn't even see this before till now. Hallelujah. You best fucking come in the new Scream movie. Wait, I honestly, unpopular opinion, I don't give a fuck if Neve Campbell doesn't come up. I get it. She is the Laurie Strode of Scream. But you know what? After watching Halloween, I don't even care to see the final girl. I want to see this bitch in the new one. Okay. Love you. You're not a bitch. Let's turn it back. This was like a good score. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please stab the like button. Oh my god, that's so cringy. Please smash that like button. No, please stab that like button with kindness. No, stab the fuck out of the like button. And if you like my channel and you haven't subscribed, the fuck you doing? Subscribe. Enough of me rambling. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. My channel has been getting endless love and support. And have a good one. Bye. Spooky dookies.